Karalo po din eh.
Sobrang.
At kanina pa ganito.
Sunod na magsunod pa lang ganyan na eh.
Kanina pa ganito.
Sino lang ang pinakamaribok na kwarto?
Aray ko. Hi guys! Guys, this is what's it?
Pinapaglaan na kami. Hastang pili ko nagbabalahan.
Ito na mga nonchalant.
Now as you are my God, just give me true love and understanding, true love and understanding for the rest of my days. Well, you won't have to worry, life's a problem in my hands. But if you really, really love me, in my heart you'll be a big man. Hey lover, won't you treat me right and be with me tonight? Just give me true love and understanding.
Welcome back mga ka! Kami yan sa ginanuhan ni airport center aga. Na ano yan ang naadlaw?
Gabi!
April 11. April 11, 2025. Bye! Salamat mga palangga!